Hey guys, it's Syam. How is it going today? Welcome back to the channel. Did you know that between 2019 and 21, the number of social media users worldwide increased by 11%? Yes, it is. Even the number of monthly active users of social media networks surged to more than 4.5 billion in the last quarter of 2021. In this session, I'm going to give a brief outlook of the major players in the market of 4.5 billion customers. COVID-19 has changed the social media trends dramatically. As I said earlier, the number of monthly active users of social media grew 4.5 billion in the last quarter. That's huge numbers, and this represents a share of 58% of the total world population. So it is for sure that the coronavirus pandemic has helped such a major expansion of social media. Among the top 5 global social media firms, Alphabet remains the leading social media company in the world, followed by Meta Platforms and Tencent Holdings. Gulf Brokers created the list of largest corporations operating the social media networks according to their market capitalization. We were also looking into how the networks of top 5 media are currently performing and who are the competitors have the potential to change the game in the future. The world of social media is ruled by Meta Platforms, which was still called Facebook until November last year. Its family of social networks is used by almost 3 billion users on a daily basis. The vast majority are on Facebook, around 1.93 billion, followed by WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger. The second most widespread platform among social networks is YouTube, which is a part of the tech giant Google, and it is also the parent company of Alphabet. Approximately 2 billion users connect to YouTube each month. In our recent study, we also found that the social networking is no longer the domain of American companies. Several Chinese companies which are growing rapidly thanks to the new social media upgrades and trends, which helped for gaining the popularity. So the third one is none other than the Chinese multinational group Tencent Holdings, primarily which is the third largest of its kind in the terms of market capitalization. Its communication platforms include QQ and WeChat. These three largest social network providers' revenues reached almost 500 billion a year. The source of income is mainly advertising. Besides business, social networks also have a considerable political and social influence. That is why politicians of practically all major countries in the world are puzzled by the regulations of social networks. Most importantly, institutional regulation seems to be the only power to limit the dynamics of this phenomenon of life in the 21st century. That's all for today. Thank you so much for being here and make sure to subscribe down below to join the channel because in our coming videos we are going to explain each social media companies individually, so don't miss out. Thank you.